Hi again, everyone. Thursday, March 3rd, 2022. Astro Excel 30-minute chart. Trend following really well this week. You can see Sunday to Monday we had the upswing. Peaked out on the green line here. Market made one more push, traded down. Through Monday, Tuesday, we had this upside pressure above the 10 line where it bottomed up almost to the 30 line here. Made the high yesterday right at the close of the day session. Now we've got downward pressure Thursday through Friday with both coming into sync right here where we are now. See the flat top on the blue line between about 610 and 724. Both energies peak out and then turn down together. Blue line bounces but is headed back down with the green line. Let's see what kind of timing window we have for today or into this evening. Here's the Vedic timing window chart. We've got this white window tonight starting at about 1900 until about 22:20, 20 after 10 in the evening. This is generally these windows in that time area between 1700 and midnight aren't anywhere near as effective as the other ones, but then as we get after midnight we've got this bright green double window on the A2 and B1 almost perfectly linked together, and then the key times here are going to be the beginning of that window just before midnight, and then we've got other key time pressure from the rainbow coming in at 12:34, 1:36 and 2:36ish. And then of course the end of the window. Beginning and ending of windows are always important. So there you have it. One key window coming in the early AM of the 4th. Astro Excel right on this week, tracking perfectly. We'll see what happened tomorrow when we come back with this timing window, and we'll talk to you guys then.